Are you on the fence about buying your dream home? In today's ever-changing market, timing is everything. But what if I told you that now might just be the perfect moment to dive into homeownership? Let's break down why. We're exploring 3 big reasons why waiting might not be your best bet. From the historic rise in home values to the current state of interest rates, we'll uncover how buying a home today could be your smartest investment yet. Plus, we'll dive into how owning a home now means building your equity faster, setting you up for a brighter financial future. So are you ready to get the inside scoop on why waiting doesn't pay? Home values will always rise over time. Home values have a track record of climbing over time. It's one of the strongest arguments for buying a home. This isn't just a trend, it's a historic fact. Real estate stands as a resilient long-term investment, constantly growing in value. Despite the market's ups and downs, stepping into the market now, that's a smart move to riding this upward wave of property appreciation. Interest rates aren't taking a nosedive anytime soon. These rates are crucial in determining how affordable a home is. Right now, we're navigating through a higher than usual rates, and the outlook suggests they might stay elevated. While future economics are unpredictable, most experts are leaning towards a rise rather than a drop in interest rates for the foreseeable future. You can start building equity sooner. One of the biggest advantages of homeownership is the opportunity to build equity over time. By purchasing a home now, you can initiate the wealth building process sooner, allowing you to capitalize on the potential for increased property values. So are you feeling you're ready to make a move or still have questions? Don't hesitate to reach out on livingstonmi.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful real estate tips.